Hello everyone. Welcome back to our programming series. Today we are going to see about SkillRack Daily Challenge, that is, matrix, surrounding integers of n. Header files include necessary header files, stdio.h for input, output functions and stdlib.h for dynamic memory functions. Main function. The main function is the entry point of your program. Variable declarations. Declare three integer variables r, c, and n. Input. Use scanf to read two integers, r and c, representing the number of rows and columns of the matrix. Matrix declaration. Declare a 2D array mat with dimensions r rows and c columns. Matrix input. Use nested loops to read the elements of the matrix, mat, from the user. The %d format specifier is used to read integers. Target number input. Read the target number n from the user. Finding the position of target number. Use nested loops to find the position, r1, c1, of the target number, n, in the matrix. If found, break out of the loop. Printing surrounding numbers. Use nested loops again to print the surrounding numbers of the target number, n. The conditions ensure that the indices are within bounds and do not include the target number's position. Return statement. The main function returns 0, indicating successful execution of the program. Next, we will see the solution in Python language. Input dimensions. Read the dimensions of the matrix, r rows and c columns, from the user. Map, int, input, .split, is used to read space-separated integers and convert them to integers. Matrix input. Use a list comprehension to read the matrix, mat, from the user. It creates a list of lists, where each inner list represents a row of the matrix. Target number input. Read the target number n from the user. Initialize variables. Initialize variables are 1 and c1 to -1. These variables will store the position of the target number in the matrix. Finding target number. Use nested loops to find the position, r1, c1, of the target number, n, in the matrix. If found, break out of the loop. Check if target number found. If the target number is not present in the matrix, print -1 and exit the program. Print surrounding numbers. Use nested loops again to print the surrounding numbers of the target number, n. The conditions ensure that the indices are within bounds and do not include the target number's position. End equals is used to print the numbers on the same line with a space between them. I hope this explanation helps. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more programming challenges. Thanks for watching.